Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Tax Exempt for WooCommerce. Email notifications and customization. In this video, I will show you how to customize email notifications for tax exemption requests. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Tax Exemptions. Now, click on the Email Notification tab. Here, you can set the admin email address to receive notifications when customers submit a tax exemption request. You can also customize the submission success message shown to the customer after they submit their request. From here, you can also customize the email templates. In the admin email message, you can use variables like username, form data, approve link, and disapprove link. You can also customize the text to match your brand style. Similarly, you can customize customer email messages, the approved tax information email message for the admin, the approved tax information email message for the customer, the disapproved tax information email for the customer, the expired tax information email for the admin, and the expired tax information email for the customer. Once the changes are made, click on Save Changes, and that's it. In this video, you have learned how to customize email notifications and templates for tax exemption requests. It's a great way to keep customers informed and streamline communication. Well, that wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.